Hey, it's Tony from Type 5 Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at this heavy-duty Amazon folding wagon cart from Beau Jardin. Now, I want to preface that I was not paid for this review, but after doing the research on Amazon, this was the cart that I decided to purchase for our family. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of my first impressions, what it is like to use it on the field, and how it loads up in our vehicles. So to give you some first impressions on this cart here, a couple things that I like and why I picked it out. Number one, you have these much larger wheels. It makes it pull around really nice. All right, you can see as I'm moving the handle here, those front wheels turn, which makes it really nice and easy to maneuver. Imagine as we pull this around from game to game this sports season, loaded up, this should be a lot easier to pull around in the grass than some of those other smaller, cheaper carts. I also really like the quality of the metal frame here. It seems rather sturdy. You can see it does have some side pouches here that'll keep the sides up. We have some pouches to help organize here in the middle. On the end is just the strap handle. When it is folded up, you can put the straps together to help carry it. On the end here, we have two pockets, so those seem to be helpful for water bottles or something else that you need easy access to. And it is really easy to fold up. You just grab the center here. All right, try to do this one-handed. Grab the center, folds up. Does balance on itself, assuming that we don't maybe fold it up all the way. If I try to fold it up all the way and lock it in place, it may slightly tip over, but for me, if I'm storing it up against the wall in the garage, that seems plenty thin. All right, so we'll try to get some footage of us using this at an actual event, but so far, I think this is going to be a winner for our family. All right, we're here at the baseball field. Got the new cart out.
Yeah.
Pulling along. What do you think of the new cart, Luke?
Good.
It's good? Oh, and is that easy to pull?
Yeah.
Yep. Not bad. We got loaded up with some folding chairs, some blankets, getting ready to head out to the field. So when we get back home, I'll show you how it loads up in the cars. All right, so we just got back home from a long day of baseball and softball games, and I thought I'd show you a little bit of how this cart fits in the back of our Town and Country minivan. As you can see here, we have a lot of baseball, softball equipment, folding chairs, blankets, everything already jam-packed in here from a busy day. But if you've ever fit anything like a stroller, if you have younger kids, you can see here that it fits very easily in the back of a Town and Country minivan, right? Or if you have a small SUV, I have a Jeep Cherokee here, you can see in the back of this trunk, fits very easily laying down, or we can even stand it up and get more stuff in the front. All right, so if you've enjoyed this review, you're interested in a cart like this, feel free to use the Amazon link below. Also, don't forget to like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews in the future. All right, and remember, I've done the research, so you don't have to.